Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Spring Microservices. And in this video, it's not only the video, it's a set of videos in which we will cover service registration and discovery with Netflix Eureka API. Yes, it is. So what is the benefit of? I'll just quickly cover the basics and then we will start creating the API and service registration and discovery with Netflix. Okay, so till now, as a developer, we working in this way that we have a IP of some REST microservice or REST service, and we write the code in our REST client, putting the URL, static URL, either it's IP or a host name, and then the port number, then the method expose or the URL and everything. We hardcore that, and it's very tiring kind of process. Suppose that we forget the port number or URL or version or something, then it's a whole bunch of problem. We need to again talk to the other team who's working on the producer side. So microservices come with the concept that you should not directly talk to the producer side. Instead of that, talk to this Netflix Eureka service. You just need to provide the service name. That it could be anything. In my example, I'm going to take a pizza service. That instead of talking directly to the pizza store, I will talk to the third-party kind of vendor like Foodpanda or Uber Eats, and from there I just order the pizza or anything I want, and it will directly talk to the Eureka server, or Foodpanda will talk to the microservice on the producer side and will provide you the result. So let's start with this example. We will first create this part, service and the producer, how they will communicate with each other, and then I'll introduce Eureka server, and our REST client will talk to Eureka server, and Eureka server will talk to microservice, and it work in that way. So let's create it. So again, in this example, we will be using a Spring initializer, and let's make the producer. We will create the producer application first, and then the consumer one. In this one, we will just add the web part as I discussed in the previous videos. Generate this project and open it with Eclipse. So I have opened it with Eclipse. So let's quickly modify the resource property files. I'll mark it as server dot port is equal to 9000. Okay, and I'll create some resource. I'll create pizza. Okay, and in this one we will add the string name, private float, price, private string size, and source, generate getter and setter. I'll select all, generate source, generate constructors. Okay, and so this is my resource that I will provide back to the client, and I'll make a simple controller, new class, is a controller, and it's a REST controller. REST controller. server, and in this one we are public pizza. I'm not setting anyone and returning new pizza, and I'll call it as farmhouse. Let's mark it for $3 and the size is medium. Okay, we just mark it as a get mapping, and we will define a value equals to /pizza. So I think that's done. Let's run this application. Okay, go for it. My port is already used. My port is right now used by some other program, so let's mark it to 7000 and let's start it again. So now run it again, not this one, run this one. So it's working now. So let's test it with the Postman. This is my get URL. Okay, so on the producer side we have a service, and in next video we will create the consumer side of this one, and in the following series we will create a Eureka server and register this producer with Eureka Service, and then client will interact with Eureka and then fetch this data. So keep watching and please subscribe my channel.